got the Flavors of Fiji. We're gonna do a little local cooking class today. Check out what the people of Fiji eat. See if I can make some good food here. Alright, we just cooked some delicious Fijian food. Now we're gonna see where the food comes from here at the market, where they source all their ingredients. There's a bunch of Kava here. I thought we'd check it out before we taste it. Let's go taste this stuff. We just got to Tumbairata, it's a little village up here. So we're gonna have a little Kava ceremony and just check out the village. We're in here at the Kava ceremony.
Hola! Mother!
Just finished the Kava ceremony. My lips are a little numb from whatever's in that drink, but it's pretty good. It's time to go get some lunch.